Guys, while the ziti's in the oven, we're going to go ahead and make our own homemade dressing because that'll impress. I promise you. We have a little tiny bit of water. We're going to take some seasoning, and this is just zesty Italian seasoning. Very easy. We'll just kind of easily put that down. And one of these little guys, these funnels are fantastic for this. Makes it so easy.
It really does. That's pretty cool.
Okay, next we take the vinegar, and about the same, about a quarter cup. You can eyeball it if you want to. You can measure it however you want to do it, but we'll just go ahead and pour that in.
Yes, I'm a big apple cider vinegar fan.
And it's good for you, too.
It is good for you.
And then, of course, the extra virgin olive oil.
Yes, about the same amount. And then you just really shake it, and we're going to let mussels do that.
Extra in there, and I'm going to put just a touch more vinegar, just for fun.
Just for fun. And then just a couple drops of lemon juice just to give it a little zing. Ah, so good.
Guys, really easy. Directions for this and the ziti at the website, of course. Go ahead and give this a little shake. I feel like Tom Cruise all of a sudden. I see America drinking the fabulous sauce that I make. And that's good to go. Now we just gotta wait for the ziti.